So this is this is my cursor application, you can say. So I can download it in free. If I go to the browser, I will write cursor download. I can download and install it. Okay. So this is available free of cost. There is no fees for that. You can directly install and start using it. But there are some things that we need to take it up. So this is something like, if you see the structure, you will see that this is similar to VS Code, right? Uh, Here we have the file explorer, here we have the terminal, here we have the chat window. So when we integrate GitHub Copilot, so you would see the same kind of area here as well. So agreed to this, this is kind of similar to VS Code. Do you see any major difference in this? Guys, unmute yourself, then only you will be able to understand what I'm trying to, I can connect with you guys.
It is similar to VS Code.
Okay. So there are very minor differences. You will see that we get options in the VS Code. So those are by default on the top. Okay, so here this is my file explorer part. This is my search area. This is my source tree. This is my extensions area. Okay. So the first thing is I will just share one PPT here for the topics that we are going to cover. So in the cursor, we are going to cover the cursor introduction that I am just starting now. Next thing is sign up and installation. With the free account, I will tell how to install and how to use it with your Deloitte IDs for free. After that, we'll discuss about the functionalities which are required, that would be must for you to start using it. And after that, we'll discuss about the LLM models that are available for Cursor. Okay, so when we use GitHub Copilot, so we see a drop down where we see different LLM models. So here also I will guide you okay, which one you can use, which one can give you better results in case you have a free account. Okay, so that also I will discuss in depth. Next, I will show you how to create a new project from scratch within minutes and how to update that as well. Okay, so mainly in two scenarios, like either you are working in a new project from scratch, then also it can be used, like cursor can be used. And secondly, in case you are already in a project, like that project is since long, so how to use it. So both the scenarios we will cover. After that, we have one functionality to create the code using the image upload. We can upload the image, and using that image, we can create the code. So that also you can do. We'll discuss about that as well. Okay. The next part is the test case creation. So I hope that a few of you would have been asked to create the test cases, and it would be very difficult for you guys in case you are writing it manually. It takes time. So some of you would have used it and created it using Copilot, if in case you have in your project. And so the main thing is it is very easy using cursor as well. So I will tell you about that. The next part is something let's say, assume that you are going in a new project, and that project is very complex, that is already running from last 2 3 years or 5 years, let's say. And the structure is that much big that you are not able to understand the flow of parent component, child component, the things that we have in the project from the front end side. So I will tell you how you can see via the flow diagram, and it will be very easy for you. Okay. The next and last part is Figma MCP with cursor. So I hope few of you would have heard the term MCP, that is trending very much in the market now. And it will be really helpful for you. So you will get to know okay, is it something like that? That is also a new thing. And is it available in the market? Okay, so first thing, I also want to clear one doubt. Like, let's say you have this project, normal project, whatever kind of project you have. So you can open in this IDE. Okay, so it is similar to VS Code. There is no difference in terms of functionalities. I'm personally using it, so you can directly start using it. In case you are not using the cursor chat, as well, you can use it. Okay. So in terms of cursor intro, we are taking the first topic here. So I've told you, right? So the first thing is like this is an IDE that is available in the market for free. There is no cost for that. And you can create your projects, open your projects either in front end, back end. Let's say you have Python, Java, whatever you have. So you can open it and work in this. Okay, so this is very short and easy explanation of what exactly cursor is. Okay, this is a new environment in which you can create and work on the projects. So next thing is like in terms of setup and installations. So I will request, like in case you have time, you obviously are blocked with me, right? So can you please download cursor as well side by side? In case you have not done, like please do that. Um, so I'm going to talk about the access part, sign up and installation. Okay, so give me a minute. I think I missed that PPT. Yeah. So sign up and installation. So if you have seen that Copilot is paid version that Deloitte would have given you the access. Some of you would have the access, but in case now you are going to access the GitHub Copilot with your Deloitte IDs, you will not be able to get easily. Okay, so to overcome that part as well, I'm just giving you one heads up here. Cursor can be used directly for free, but there are some limitations. First part, we are talking about how to sign up for that. So if you see this settings icon, I'm clicking on this, going to the general. After clicking on general, I will see manage account. So as of now, I have already logged in, right? So that's why I'm just seeing this open. You can see also that this is a free plan, so I've already opened it. But if I have not logged in, so there would be a different button named as login. Once you click on that, a new pop-up will open. So this is the dashboard of Cursor. So here you will see like we have Pro Plus, Ultra. So they have different plans, but you don't need to do anything. You just need to sign up. This window is coming differently because I have already signed in. But once you are starting the sign up, then you will see the different window. Just you need to sign up. Okay, that's it. After that, you will come back here. Once you come here back here, you will see. I will reset it. You will see something like here. You will see ask mode and auto. Okay. Uh, if I go here and turn off this auto, I will see this a list of LLMs model here. Okay, so these LLM models which are available in the starting, you will not see GPT 4.1 by default. So you have to add it manually. So in order to add it manually, what you need to do is you need to come again here in the cursor settings and you need to come here in the models. As soon as you click on models, you will see a list of models available here. Some would be turned off. So you just need to enable the GPT 4.1. Reason for enabling this is, so in order to use a free account, you can either uh, select here as GPT 4.1 or make it auto. Okay. So the only thing you need to do is just to enable GPT 4.1. So if in case you are not having the paid account, so only few LLM models are there which are available for free. Else it will show you some message that you don't have a paid account or something like that. One warning message will come as soon as you are giving the command here. Okay, so again, I will say that click on the settings icon. You will come to the models. You just need to enable this GPT 4.1. And that's it. After that, you just turn into agent and auto. Nothing else you need to do. So we have, my bad. Let me open that. As we have covered the cursor introduction, sign up and installation, we'll now talk about the important functionalities. So under the important functionalities, right? So uh, I will just introduce you with few things. Like you are already aware that now we have a chat area. We can just write anything and it will refer to this project. So main thing is whenever Either you are creating a project from scratch or opening a project from midway, you can give any prompt here and that will be targeted to the project that in which you are opened. Okay, so this is the chat area. There you can just write anything which you need. Apart from that, let's say I'm opening any. This is my React project, by the way. I just want to tell you this project is created in React. I'm just opening the JSX file. So to access that cursor functionality, right? So let's say this is one of my functions, okay? Or maybe let's take it. So if I select this specific area, as soon as I select that and I have cursor, I'm opening it in cursor. So I will see two options: add to chat and quick edit. Add to chat, we simply refer these things here in this chat, and you will see the line numbers here as well. So if I add it here, so you can see the file app.jsx and the line number 24 to 27. So the code we have referred here, and you can write something and apply the prompt on top of it. It is as simple as that. In case you don't want to go there and you want to quickly update here itself, so you can again select that specific area and click on quick edit. Let's say I want write the documentation for the below function. I'm just giving the command so to write what exactly this function does. So as the part of standards, we follow like I want to tell like what exactly this function does. And so you can see the function name and the description and the example, like all of these are added automatically, right? So just after that, once you get the answer, you will get an option to undo and keep. So this is very important whenever you are using any AI tool, either GitHub Copilot or Cursor, you need to review what exactly you are getting the output. So once you review that, you can keep it. Okay, so I am keeping it. So by this, your work will be very simple. Like you can select any specific area or any file. So let's say you want to, you don't want to refer any specific lines. You want to refer the whole file. What you need to do is you can just type at the rate of symbol, and you can select that specific file. Now, whatever actions I want, let's say I wrote that write the documentation for this function only for this specific area, right? Only for a specific function. But now I want that it should be written for the overall file. So I can refer this file and I can say that, okay, write the functions, write the documentation for the overall functions available in this file. So it will do that. So there's a difference here. Okay, so you can select a specific area or you can refer the overall file. Okay, so next thing I want to discuss about is yeah, here only. As we were typing the at the root of symbol here, so you can see that we have different things available in the drop down. So you can refer the code as well, right? We have code, or we have docs or past chat as well. Like these are the past chats. You can also refer like whatever prompts you have given earlier. So that also you can use. Um, so once you explore, right, there are different use cases for all these. I will give you the reference of that. Um, you can say website, Cursor original website. By that, you can just go in depth and see. But mainly, I'm talking about the uses of how it will be used in your projects. Okay, I'm focused on that part as of now. Okay, so let's say you need to write the documentation, you want alignment in the overall file, you want to see what errors are coming in the file, right? Sometimes you miss the end bracket. So that also you can fix. You can just select that specific file and just write here like please fix the error for that file, what exactly is missing. So it will fix that. Okay, so that is one thing. So now one more thing, like we were referring one file, but we can also refer the overall project. Okay, so you can see that one folder we can refer source folder. React CRUD is the main root folder. Okay, so that also you can refer and point to, and the command that you are going to give that will be pointed to the overall application or the source folder or the file accordingly. Okay, so moving to the next part. we discussed about this area. Let me see what else we have in the PPT. Okay, the LLM models, available LLM models in Cursor. So I was talking about the LLM models. I told you that in the starting, we need to enable a GPT 4.1, and but you can see that we have different options available. Claude for Sonnet, GPT-5 as well is added recently. Gemini 2.5 Flash, Claude 3.5 Sonnet. What I have heard and used so far, right? So Claude Sonnet gives more better, like gives better results as compared to GPT 4.1 or GPT overall. Okay. So, but sometimes it only comes in the paid version. So here what I've seen, like in case I'm giving multiple prompts in Cursor, so it shows me the error that you need to have the paid version. Okay. As of now, we cannot take the paid version from the form because it is only applicable to the projects in which it is being allowed, or you can say we have already communicated to the client. Okay, so we cannot get the access like how we have received for the GitHub Copilot explicitly. This is something different now. Like so that is one heads up I want to give. That's why I'm just giving you one advantage here, how to enable it for free. Okay, so I will say that out of these models, like a few of these you can only use in the paid version, but as of now, you just set it to auto. It will automatically pick as per the free plan, which is applicable. Okay, you don't need to do anything. Second part is we have this agent and ask mode here. So there is a very basic difference between agent and ask mode. So ask mode is something like, let's say you are giving one command. Okay, you're saying that create a new project in Angular or something. So it will only give you the commands here in the chat area, and it will tell you to run those commands. Okay, it will explicitly say that these are the steps you need to follow. It will not run it accordingly. Okay, it will ask you to run. But in case you are selecting the agent mode here, then it will automatically take care of all the things. Okay, it will automatically run the things, whatever is required, whatever error is also coming, that also will be fixed. But the only thing there will be, you need to accept. Okay, there will be an accept button. You need to do it again and again, then only it will continue. Let's say uh, you need to first, what we do, like we create a new project. For that we write a command, then after that we need to do the npm installation as well. For npm installation as well, it will ask you, should I proceed? So you can click on that proceed button and you can do that. But on top of that, we can also do a setting that uh, automatic command is there. So I will show you like what exactly comes. It shows that run everything. Okay, by that what happens, like just give a command, one liner command, and automatically most of the things will be taken care by Cursor itself. So it's to automate, but I will not recommend that, because whatever commands it is suggesting and whatever output it is giving, we should first verify, then only we should accept. Okay, so the thing is like just think about that. You need to keep the settings as agent and auto. It will be the best for you, so that you are easily getting the output and you don't need to do any manual efforts. You don't need to give any manual efforts here. Okay. So in terms of important functionalities, I think we have covered how to write documentation, how to specifically do the thing. So I will say like one more thing, not only the documentation part, but let's say uh, I want to perform some action. I will say quick edit, write it in more simpler manner. Okay, so it will write in a more simpler manner according to him. Okay, so this is something like it has changed the code. So whatever actions you want to perform, you can perform by selecting that specific area. This is your chat area for that specific file. But in case you want to tag any more like larger area, you can take help from this chat area. Okay, I'm undoing this. I don't want to make that edit part. Okay, so next part I want to discuss, but before that, again, I want to ask any questions. I will quickly delete my current project. Okay, I will delete this, move to bin. So now this is my new project, new folder, empty folder, you can say. So in case you are creating a project from scratch, let's say I want a simple CRUD application. I have used it before as well, so I will run it the same. Okay, I will ask it to create the same application. Give me a minute. So I'm just writing that create a very simple basic CRUD application in React.js. Okay, I'm not having any files here, only one empty project. So you will see like within minutes that it is starting, and it will take the latest things automatically. So you would have heard now like white is in the picture, right? White is there while we create the React project, so it will automatically take that. It will use the latest version in case you are not mentioning. So there is a catch. Whatever you are using, either Angular or React or Next or whatever you are using, in case you are not giving it any specific version, so it will take the latest one. So you need to explicitly mention in case you want a specific version. In case you are opening it uh, in a already created project and then running any command, so it will automatically refer that specific version which is already used in the project. It will not update according to the new version. Getting my point? Like let's say you have any Angular project that is in Angular 16 and you are giving one prompt here, so it will refer to Angular 16 only and will give the new functionalities, whatever you want, based on Angular 16 only. Okay, so you can see here it is automatically doing all the things. It told the steps, steps will be used, and now creating all the required files. So you can also see main.tsx is created, index.html is created so far. My package JSON is there. Okay, React 18.3 it is trying to use. So app.tsx has been created. Let's wait for that to be created. This is very these are very there are very less chance that you will start the project from scratch, right? Because at your level no one will tell you that create a project from scratch. Either you are using any like working any in any FI or any POVs POCs, then only I think you would be able to use it. Okay, for your personal experience you can start with the um, starting project like from scratch. Okay, so now you can see some errors are also coming here, right? Okay, I forgot to tell one more thing. You can see here the percentage thing. As soon as you are using your free plan, using your Deloitte IDs, the first thing is do not paste any client data without approval from your leads and managers. Okay, this is only for your personal use until and unless in your project the cursor is already approved. Okay, so that is one thing. Second thing is while using the free account, you will see this percentage here. So you get some limited credits, that is around 272K tokens. So out of that, I have already consumed 13%, right? So now what I will do, I will just uh, come out first. Okay, I'm in the correct repository only and path as well. I will do the npm install. This can be done using the cursor as well, but just I want to see in case any error is there. Okay, I want to show you one scenario in case error is coming. Okay, so now you can see the errors are almost gone. One error is there. So let's say I want to fix this error, right? What I will do, I will just select this. I will get two options: quick edit, fix the error. I will just write simply, and it should give me some suggestions here. Okay, I'm not sure, but it is okay. Edit here. Fine. This is for reference only. I will start it. In the package, we are using white. Okay, so I think we need to use npm run dev. This is the default command for white project. If we are using white for React, right? So this is one application created within minutes. Let's say I'm adding my name here. Okay, so you can see this is working, right? Search is also there, and edit is also there. So things are working fine, right? So this is very basic application that I have created. So how it works. Now, on top of this, I will also show that, let's say this is one of your project and you got one story for the new sprint and you need to work on that. So you can just directly give the commands here, and that will refer to the project and you can start working on that. Okay. So how to use that using Figma, I will tell in the last, but before that, I have few more things. So, okay, I will write one more thing here before I go to the next thing. So I will say like add a new component uh, for the showing the logout button on the top right side. Okay, so as of now, we don't have any logout button. For just randomly, I have added this. So I want to see if this works properly. Okay, you can see that it added a components folder, although I didn't tell it. But by default, whatever the standards we follow, so it will create it accordingly. And you can see that one component has been created. Also, I'm expecting that it will be called here. So you can see that that button has been called in the app.tsx, right? So if I go here, you can see that logout button is available, right? So this is an example, like if you're working on any project in between. So you can see like as of now, there is no functionality, it just added an alert, but we can do that. This is the main scenario that how we use in the projects, right? I think we are already around 340 is near. So what we'll do, like any questions here, like how to use it from scratch and from in between in the project? Okay. So the next thing that I want to show is that, okay, code generation using the image and screenshot. So for this, what happens, like we have an option. So this is the image upload option. In case you are adding any UI, like uploading any snip of the thing, let's say I've just wrote the command for the logout thing, but you can also upload the image, like how you want the UI to be, and then give the command. So that image will be uploaded here, and you can also give the command that I want a new component based on the screenshot that I have uploaded. Create a button like that, create a view like that, create a new component like that. So you can do that. So this is very good functionality that they have we can upload the image and ask cursor to work on it. Okay, so that is something very simple. So I don't want to waste time in this because I want to cover a main functionality. For this, I will give you a video. For this session as well, I will give you a video, and for a few recorded sessions that I have personally created, that also I will give you, so that you can go in that. Okay. So next thing is test case generations. So as soon as so if we see here, um, again, I'm going to the chat. I will write here by referring the file. So I want some issue is there. Wait a minute, my system is stuck. Okay, some issue is there. It is not clickable. Let me. Okay, I will write simply. Okay, if it's not working, at the rate is not working for me. Add the test cases for the app.tsx. So in simple terms, it will create the test cases. So normally the requirement for the test cases comes like whatever component you are creating. So you need to write test cases for that. Else, in case you have like working on any specific function only, but you see that test case is not there since starting. So your lead or your manager will say, no, we need the test cases. So what you need to do is you can refer to that file and just create a test case file in minutes. Okay, it will not take some like much time. I'm not getting what exactly it is doing. I think it is taking something else. I need to close it and open it again. Let me do one thing. Clear all chat. Now I will do it. Yeah, now it is working. There was some issue. Okay, so that's why it was stuck. It was not able to refer properly. So now you can see that it will create a file named as app.test.tsx and will create the test cases in minutes. You can update that test case file as well. Like you can ask it to write more test cases as per the requirement. So whatever mock data is required, whatever dependencies are there, it will automatically take that. So now you don't need to think about, okay, I need to write the test case manually. So if I share the experience from my end, like 5 years back, it was very manual kind of thing, and it was let's say we have an effort of 5 days for one story. So I can assume that minimum of 3 to 5 days will take for test cases as well. So it is 100% effort for test cases if we write it manually. But now it is not the case. You can see here like the test cases are written within minutes, right? See how many test cases it has been like it has created. So you don't need to be worried about that, and the data that is required, that also will be created automatically. Okay, so this is very good use of either you are using GitHub Copilot or you are going to use Cursor. Okay, next thing I want to cover is, first I will cover Figma MCP. This is very important, and this is something I will take last. So again, I will ask like how many of you are using Figma in your projects? Your any specific tool and your code. So let's say as of now, what we do manually, whatever code we need to refer, uh, we whatever new design we need to create and convert it into code. So we just check it in Figma and then make it. But how to make it automatically? So for that, what I will do, I will just run one video. So This is one video that I have recorded personally, okay, myself. So this will show you the end-to-end flow of how you can integrate Figma with your cursor, and using that you can directly create the design. Let's say this is one of the view, okay. This is new page for checkout you need to create, so you can directly link this design with your cursor and give the prompt on that, like create a new component according to this view. So it will automatically create according to the dimensions available. Okay. So that is a new thing, like to integrate. Let's say you want to integrate with GitHub repositories. So that also is a kind of bridge required, how to integrate GitHub with your current project. Okay, so you can say the simple terms, the interaction between Figma and your code directly. Okay, as of now, you would have seen that you will first, if I go with manual instructions, I will uh, see like what is the width, and then I will add the text and I will add all the things. But now, in case you know about the Figma MCP, it will directly create the view out of it. So before going to this, I will tell you like what settings are required. So for that, what you need to do is like you need to go to the cursor official site. Okay. So as soon as you type docs.cursor.com, you will see these areas, this navigation bar, and you need to redirect to tools. So these are the MCP servers available. So again, I will tell like it is little tricky to understand what exactly the MCP means. So MCP is Model Context Protocol. This is a kind of integration you can do. You want, let's say you want to directly use Figma in your application along with code that you can use GitHub integration, Playwright, Sentry, Vercel, Jira. Jira also you can just integrate. So many things are available along with Cursor. So that's why it is very much popular now. Like Cursor gives you the capability to directly include this. So in order to include Figma in your Cursor, what you need to do, you need to visit this. This is one of the step, like this is one of the path that I have explored and found it very easy to add any specific server, MCP server. Okay, so please stop me here in case still you are not able to know what exactly MCP means here. Anyone like having the doubt? In case you are not understanding this, then you will not be able to use it. Please unmute yourself and ask me in case you're not able to get it. Okay, so I'm integrating Figma with my cursor. So I will click on add to cursor. We'll continue on this. This will open directly my cursor. It will open my cursor settings. Inside the tools and integration, you can see as of now, I have Figma already enabled because I'm done with the settings. But in case it is not there, so it will come like this, like install MCP server. If I click on install, so you will get this as enabled like this. Okay. That is one way that you have started from here, from this window directly. Either you go from there, or you can just go into the settings, into the tools and integrations. You can click on new MCP server, and it will also redirect you to this mcp.json file. So if you want to do it manually, you can do it manually, but the best way is to just click on add to cursor and it will be integrated. Okay. So by this, once I'm done with the integration part, I will jump to my that video that I was trying to show you guys. So here you can see that this is the area that I want to create and add into my current application. My project is already there, but I want to create it from like this, create this new component. So first, what I need to do is like here, I need to go into the preferences, and here I will get an option to enable local MCP server. So you need to enable this. You need to enable this option. Then what will happen? Your Figma will be connected with your cursor. Okay, whatever command you are giving on cursor, it will be integrated here. So for that, what you need to do to give any specific command, I will show you. This video also I will share with you so that you are able to proceed. So you can just a minute. You can just click on copy link to selection. Here, the last option that we have. Okay, copy link to selection will give you one link that you can directly use in terms of prompt. Okay, so I have given one command here, like create a new component using from the Figma. Like this link is already there with me for this overall view. I'm just telling that cursor, please create a new component using this Figma link and create a views the same like whatever is available. Okay, so I will just copy this whole command and put it inside the directly. I will go to that area. So as of now, you can see, I will show you that this is one of the application that I have simple application I have created. There is nothing apart from this. Okay, this is the starting view. As soon as I run that prompt here, I have given the prompt and that link that I was talking about, the Figma link. So it will create the same view. Okay, it created a new component, and also you can see that items check component. I will go back. So intro checkout component has been created, and also it will be called out into the app.js automatically, whatever the main component root component is. Okay, so if I go back, so you can see the same component has been created within minutes, including the colors, font, size, everything is there. It might be possible that here and there minor changes are required left and right, right? But it will directly integrate with your Figma. So any questions here for the Figma MCP? So we have covered for Figma only. We have so many options like for the automation part. In case you have any questions for any specific thing, you can reach out to me. But I'm talking about this component that we have created within minutes directly from Figma.